Japan Network, broadcasting from Tokyo. We are now starting our broadcast in English. For details of our schedule, please visit our website at nhk.jp/rj. We are always pleased to receive your comments and suggestions through our website or via mail. Our address is English Service, NHK World Japan, Tokyo 150-8001, Japan. Please stay tuned.
NHK World Japan. We bring you the news from Radio Japan at 11 hours UTC on Saturday, March 23rd. I'm Shao Yamamoto.
And I'm Kumiko Kunoye.
In our top stories, Nobel Peace Prize laureate Malala Yousafzai has called on world leaders to promote girls' education.
The UN Human Rights Council has adopted a resolution condemning North Korea, calling for the return of Japanese and other nationals abducted by the North.
And U.S. Special Counsel Robert Mueller has concluded his investigation into alleged Russian meddling in the 2016 U.S. presidential election. Now the news in detail.